Home, two of the most recent Smith County victims are workers at a healthcare facility on the front lines caring for older adults who themselves are at high risk. KETK's My Owens right now is here to show us how workers are essential to this virus combating.
That's right, Neil. It has become a daily routine. Growing cases, concern rising, COVID-19 spreading. But behind those numbers, there is an army of caregivers working to keep others safe. On the front lines of a nationwide pandemic are healthcare workers.
We are incredibly grateful to our medical personnel who are on the front lines of this war against the spread of this disease.
Two caregivers at the Heights of Tyler Senior Facility tested positive for COVID-19. Now some worry they may unknowingly come into close contact with the virus.
Don't just show up at the door without telling them you're coming. Alert them and tell them you're coming so your provider can be dressed in proper protective equipment to handle your situation.
Senior homes and assisted living facilities closing its doors to the public in hopes of limiting exposure. While caregivers continue with their job on a daily basis, across the nation, thousands are asking for more protective equipment to keep their patients and themselves safe from COVID-19.
We are asking the federal government to accelerate production and supply of personal protection equipment,
pointing to a critical need for supplies like ventilators, masks, and test kits for workers.
So today, CMS will announce detailed recommendations to further promote this needed conservation, specifically by limiting non-essential elective medical and surgical procedures, including dental procedures.
Texas nurses pleading to the community, asking the public to stay home as the invisible enemy marches across the country. Caregivers are the soldiers battling this virus. Now, a spokesperson with the Heights says there is no indication the virus has spread into the center, as residents and staff are working with NetHealth to make sure the right steps are taken to reduce the spread. Live in studio, My Owens, KETK News.
My, thank you for that.